Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about the cities. Before this basically currencies basically. In currencies basically we are talking about one topic, that is the city ideas, and in ideas basically we are talking about the global warming era basically. In this basically we are talking about one topic, that is the city creation. So one of the person told that basically in this world basically whatever incidents basically which has happened, that actually is including in each and every human needs, or basically it's a total human needs basically are separated basically, kept separately basically. That was actually the very dangerous question basically which was asked. For example, one of the person told that Mahatma Gandhi was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. Abraham Lincoln basically was shot dead by John Wilkes Booth. So you want to say like that basically this entire, for example, Rajiv Gandhi got killed, Indira Gandhi got killed, then basically whatever basically the incidents happened, like earthquake happened, this each and everything basically happened. So each and every has generated certain level of stories basically, each and everything basically has generated certain love story. So you want to say that basically single story basically has connected to human needs, or basically is it that entire story basically of the earth planet basically has converted into all the human needs basically. For example, you creates the apple basically, right? Assume that you are creating from the apple basically from the CRM project. So that CRM project basically, and creating the apple basically, that CRM project contains the entire world story basically, or basically it contains the single story also basically. Single story, for example, John Wilkes Booth energy is only taken in the CRM project, or basically it like that basically the entire John Abraham Lincoln and the Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, each and every story basically was taken in the CRM project. So that basically was very dangerous question basically. That was actually very dangerous question basically which was asked actually. Which was basically asked. So that was very dangerous question basically. So one of the person told that basically that is very difficult to tell basically. That only nuclear power company basically only might be having. And if by chance they have created this way, like this way means each and every story basically they have separated, like John Abraham Lincoln story has kept in one apple, John Wilkes Booth story is basically kept in one fruit basically, that is grapes. Then uh, Mahatma Gandhi basically story has kept in banana, like Nathuram Godse story basically has kept in pani puri. Just taking as an example basically, in real basically it's not, might be there or basically might not be there. For example, Nathuram Godse story basically has kept in Peru means Jamfar basically. Then basically Narendra Modi basically energy basically has taken in capsicum basically. Like this basically each and every people basically story has generated to different human needs basically, or basically the entire world story basically has converted into, for example, uh, capsicum basically contains only Narendra Modi Damodar story, or basically it contains the whole world story basically. That basically the question basically only nuclear power company basically might be having, if they have created this way, like capsicum only contains the Mahatma Narendra Damodar Modi's story, or basically the this is one side basically, right? And another side basically creation is entire world basically story, like Modi's Narendra Modi story, Mahatma Gandhi story, Nathuram Godse story, John Wilkes Booth story, then Abraham Lincoln story, Rajiv Gandhi story, then Indira Gandhi story. These all basically stories has generated in one human needs, or basically it's like that basically. So that basically was the R&D subject basically, which is basically the R&D subject, because it might possible that creation basically might have kept separately each and every stories, and basically it might possible that each and every stories basically might have kept in one basically. So that basically is the research subject basically, because if you are creating world this way or basically world this way, because one thing is basically confirmed that story has created this way or this way. Both side basically story basically can't be created. If both side basically has created by chance basically, one city basically contains Nathuram Godse story, another city basically contains Mahatma Gandhi's story. If story has converted this way basically, then what are the things going to happen in the world? If one city basically contains whole world story basically, then how the world basically might have is going to generate which type of energy in the universe basically. That is also one thing basically. So that's where is the things basically is very dangerous basically. How basically things basically might be created basically. That is basically the city creation topic basically we are talking about. That is the 12th number. In Hindi basically it is called 12. The 12th topic number is going to be. For example, again basically we will take one more thing basically. Assume that basically just now basically earthquake basically happened. In last basically in India basically when earthquake basically was happened, that was Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, which basically connect to earthquake when basically that was 8, that means today is 9, right basically. So yesterday basically this story connected, and this was the magnitude and this was the time basically, right? This was the time. Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh connected with the earthquakes. So this basically has happened basically. So one of the person told that basically how basically the earthquake happened here basically, on the which story basically creation the earthquake basically has happened. Then basically the question basically was very dangerous actually, how basically the earthquake happened, because it's connecting to this only basically, city creation basically. How city has created is basically in capsicum only Narendra Damodar Modi's prime minister's data basically has taken, or basically the capsicum contains the each and every world story basically. On the base of this only basically the here the basically as earthquake basically has happened. So here basically I am just taking it as an example of capsicum basically. In really basically it can be potato, it can be tomato also basically. It can be potatoes, it can be tomatoes, it can be anything basically. So that basically is the thing basically. So here basically just now basically earthquake happened. This is the last earthquake basically. This happened yesterday I think. Today basically which any earthquake has happened. Let me see basically whether earthquake has happened or not basically today. Just I will refresh the thing. No, basically today basically there was no earthquake. So this is basically the story, right? So earthquake basically connects to city story basically, that is 100% sure basically. And on the base of the city story basically the whole world is created basically. And this is the most dangerous thing basically which has taken, and this is going to connect to directly to the global warming error, that is glacier basically, how the glacier basically has created and how the world has created. That is the 13 number topic. So first basically we will clear this, and then we will jump to this basically the dangerous topic basically, which is going to finish lots of cities basically. And Mumbai basically is connected near to sea, Chennai basically is near to sea, Kochi basically is near to sea, then basically lots of Bengal city basically are near to sea, Bangladesh basically is near to sea basically. Like this basically many cities basically are near to sea basically. This is the dangerous thing basically which is going to connect, and this basically is created on the base of this basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about currencies dependency, and here basically we are discussing the ideas basically equal to global warming error.